be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks will lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, y'all? It's Big Roth TV. So today, got a new box, but it's not for me. This one is for my wife. So let me see if I can show that to you. Let me see. I'm on my iPhone. I don't know how to switch it, but it's over here. It's not this, but it's this. All right. So this box is for the wife. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out to her and we're going to get her reaction. Hello.
Oh, did we need to do that
No, I'm
now?
already filming you.
Okay.
Boys, Wishbone, Kobe.
Oriah.
Oriah. All right. So this, let me not show the address. That's for you. I got, don't mess your nails up. Got the shank. Right. What is it?
Shoes.
Just blue box. Yeah, you gotta look at the front. What does that say?
Adidas.
Ivy Park. Adidas Ivy Park. Size 7.5. I think that's the right size for you. I don't know. All right, check it out.
Here's to big bathrooms and live-in kitchens. American Standard is there.
Oh, nice presentation. Comes in a nice bag. Nice Ivy Park bag, okay. Kofi, get away. Get away, Kofi. Alright. What's that tag? Oh, it says Ivy Park on the tag. These are the Ivy Park Ultraboost. Ivy Park is Beyonce's line with Adidas. Pretty snazzy. Comes with extra laces there. Flat laces. Oh, they actually switched it up a little bit on here.
Yeah, I can't
Struggling.
get it off. Yeah.
All right. Let me see the. You gotta show them. You got the. You gotta do your left shoe first. That is the left. Oh, that's actually different than the pair that I have.
There's
The
stuff
pull
inside.
string. Oh, what's in there? Open it up. Open the. Oh, okay. We got some Ivy Park designs in there. Looks like a bunch of different kinds of tags and things. Then we got the tan bottoms. All right. I like that pull string. So then you don't really gotta lace your shoes up. You just kind of adjust it. All right.
Are these in men's sizes?
Yep.
Okay, then it should fit.
Yeah, that should be your size. Go ahead and toss them on feet. Little snug.
Yes.
They'll be fine when you get them on, probably. You just gotta loosen them up. What you doing, huh? Hmm. All right.
There you go.
Good.
Nice and comfy, yeah.
Good on feet. I did good. I put the other one on too. Huh, boys. Huh. There was a few other pairs that I could have got before, or I tried to get, but I was like, nah, those are kind of, it was like a lime green one. And then there was some other stuff, but I figured these kind of just went and tried and they didn't sell out. So, yeah, look at that. They look good. They look good on my feet. Oh, okay. Nice boost. How's that feel? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you've been watching Big Roth TV, huh? So, how do you like them?
They're very nice, thank you.
Very comfortable. You gonna wear them today?
I'll have to switch my socks, but yes, I can wear them today.
Step over here on the wood part.
You sure you don't need this? Pass it
Kofi,
forward.
get over here.
No. Shred it.
Move, Kofi.
Oh, lady, can you go get me a pair of white socks? And you need to put some socks on. That's gross.
Turn. Nice. Nice. I like it. I like this part here. Like this pull on the back. That's pretty cool. What do you think? You gonna wear it with those laces or switch to the flat ones?
No, I need them.
Alright. Cool.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. Thought you might like some Beyonce shoes. So that was my surprise. I don't buy you shoes a whole bunch because you don't really care for shoes like that. But I was like, let me go ahead and get these. Think they look pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, that's gonna do it for this one. Here's a closer look. Very nice. Very nice. And then you can see on the side there, the Ivy Park, kind of a tan where the cage is. It's a little bit, it's more like an off-white, kind of a creamish color where the cage is all around. And then there's some more detail of that insole with the Ivy Park. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool in there.
Amazing. They made that house look
7.5 long for the wife. And look at that bottom. You got that Continental rubber on the bottom. Boom. Torsion system. And I really like that pull string instead of the laces. Adidas on the tongue there. Very nice. Very nice. This is what I have on feet today. Finally decide to break these Yeezys out. Had these for a while. Actually tried to sell them, but nobody wanted to buy them off me. So I might as well keep them and wear them myself. All right, looks like that was a success. Wifey actually likes the shoes, so I'm glad that I went ahead and picked those up for her. But that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. I got another box right here. Let me show you all without showing my address. You see that? Boom. That's a Nike box. So we got one more that we got to do. But more content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.